The Nikon Z9 was first announced in October 2021. By late 2025, it will have been around for 4 years. That makes it a good time to start thinking about what the next version, the Z9 II, might include. Nikon is steadily moving forward with its mirrorless camera lineup. Recently, a new camera model, labeled N2410, was registered in China, and rumors suggest that 2 new Nikon cameras are on the way. One is a Nikon Z-mount video camera expected in late 2025. The other, more anticipated model is the Nikon Z9 II, which is expected to be announced in development form sometime in 2025, with a full release likely in 2026. While many photographers are wondering if a Nikon Z8 II will also arrive around the same time, it's becoming clearer that the Z9 II might actually be the smarter investment for professionals. Let's take a closer look at why the Nikon Z9 II makes more sense than the Nikon Z8 II, based on current information and educated speculation. The original Z9 already set a high standard with its stacked full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering fast readout speeds, excellent dynamic range, and no mechanical shutter. The Z8 shares the same sensor, but it's expected that the Z9 II will push the technology even further. Nikon might introduce an improved stacked sensor, or possibly one with global shutter technology, which would eliminate rolling shutter issues entirely. This is especially valuable for action photographers and videographers shooting fast-moving subjects. The image quality is also likely to benefit from a new generation image processor, giving the Z9 II better noise handling and even more detail in both shadows and highlights. Autofocus is one of the most crucial aspects of any modern camera. The Nikon Z9 already has one of the best autofocus systems Nikon has ever made, with reliable eye detection, subject tracking, and AI-based recognition. The Z9 II is expected to build on this with even faster and smarter autofocus performance. Early rumors suggest the Z9 II may offer 40+ frames per second of full 14-bit RAW, continuous shooting. That's an enormous leap in performance, especially when compared to the Z8's 20 FPS or 30 FPS in JPEG mode. For wildlife, sports, or any high-speed shooting scenario, this kind of speed, combined with excellent autofocus, would give professionals a serious edge. Video features are becoming just as important as still photo capabilities in high-end cameras. The Nikon Z9 already offers 8K video at 60 frames per second, internal RAW recording, and advanced codecs. The Z8 mirrors many of these features, but the Z9 II could go even further. Some rumors suggest Nikon might incorporate cine-style features, possibly borrowing tech from RED cameras, which Nikon now has a partnership with. This could mean better color grading options, improved codecs, internal ProRes RAW, and even global shutter video. Frame rates might be bumped up as well, possibly allowing 8K 120 frames per second or 4K 240 frames per second recording, ideal for slow motion and cinematic projects. For filmmakers and content creators, these improvements make the Z9 II a far more future-proof tool than what a Z8 II is likely to offer. Professional cameras are often judged not just by performance, but also by how tough and comfortable they are to use. The Nikon Z9 has a fully weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, making it reliable in rain, snow, and dust. It's built like a tank, which is what pros need when shooting on location. More importantly, the Z9 comes with a built-in vertical grip. This isn't just about comfort. It also means better balance with heavy lenses, longer battery life, and easier vertical shooting. The Z8, on the other hand, has a smaller DSLR-style body, which is lighter but not as comfortable for long sessions or large lenses. The Z9 II is expected to maintain this pro-grade build while possibly refining the ergonomics further, Nikon might slim down the body slightly or reduce weight while keeping the same rugged design. For anyone who shoots in demanding environments, these design choices make a real difference. One of the Z9's standout features is its dual CF Express card slots. These fast, reliable cards are essential for high-resolution RAW stills and 8K video. Having two slots means you can shoot with backup files or use overflow recording, something that gives professionals peace of mind during critical assignments. The Z8 also supports CF Express, but only has one CF Express Type B and one slower SD card slot, which limits flexibility and performance. The Z9 II is almost certain to keep two CF Express slots, making it a much better choice for demanding workflows where speed and redundancy are essential. Battery life is often overlooked until you're out shooting all day. The Z9 has a massive ENEL18 battery, which lasts significantly longer than the smaller battery used in the Z8. This alone is a huge advantage for wedding photographers, sports shooters, or anyone doing long-form video. The Z9 II is expected to retain the same long-lasting battery, meaning fewer interruptions, fewer battery swaps, and more time spent focusing on the shot. When every moment counts, longer battery life can make a big difference. If you're going to spend thousands of dollars on a camera, you want to know it will still be relevant in a few years. The Z9 II is shaping up to be a flagship camera that could easily remain at the top of Nikon's mirrorless lineup for the next 4 to 5 years. Its features will be ahead of most other cameras, and firmware updates may continue to unlock new capabilities long after release. The Z8 II, while likely to be a solid performer, will almost certainly remain in the second tier, a great camera, but not a groundbreaking one. For professionals who shoot for a living, the higher upfront cost of the Z9 II will be justified by its durability, speed, and long-term reliability. The Nikon Z8 is already a great camera, and the Z8 II will likely improve upon it. But when you compare it to what the Z9 II is expected to offer, it becomes clear that the Z9 II will make more sense for serious photographers and videographers. From its likely 40+ FPS RAW, burst shooting, enhanced autofocus, and top-tier video features to its pro-grade build, dual CF Express slots, and longer battery life, the Z9 II promises to be a true workhorse. It's built not just for today, but for the future. For professionals looking to invest in a camera that can do it all without compromise, the Nikon Z9 II is the smarter, more reliable, and more powerful choice.